Hey guys, welcome back to Kolbenkraft. So, a 4-bar chain mechanism. We all know what a 4-bar chain mechanism is. A fixed link, there's an input link, and then there's an output link. Quite simple, right? But while designing a mechanism, we need to consider the dimensions of the links. We just cannot give any dimensions, and there's a law that we need to follow for the smooth running of the mechanism. That's Grashof law. So what exactly is Grashof law? We'll see that in this video. So here this condition S plus L should be less than P plus Q is basically the Grashof law, and this is what we need to follow every time we design a 4-bar chain mechanism. Let's say I am not aware of this law and I just give the links the dimensions that come to my head. So let's name the links. This is the input link, which is basically a crank or something. So this is S, the connecting link L, the output link P, and this is the fixed link Q. So let's say S equals to 100 mm, L equals to 150 mm, P 250, and Q 200. Well, I don't know if the mechanism will work or not. So let's see if these dimensions follow the Grashof law. So S plus L basically makes 250, whereas P plus Q 450. Well, we can say that S plus L is less than P plus Q. So well, yeah, it's following the Grashof law, and hence this mechanism will run smoothly. But what if it doesn't follow the Grashof law? Let's say P is 100 mm and Q is 50 mm. So the addition of P and Q gives us 150, whereas S plus L the same 250. Well, here 250 is greater than 150, that is S plus L is greater than P plus Q. So what this will result into? What will happen here is when we give input to this link S over here, it will transmit the motion. It will transmit the motion, the force to connecting link L. By far, no problem. But here, as the link P will be short, it won't it won't be properly into motion, and hence this mechanism will become a fixed mechanism. Hence it will be a constrained mechanism. Hence there will be no free movement of this P output link, and a mechanism will fail. Hence this is the important law. It is important to follow this Grashof law. So let's move back to our previous dimensions. So yeah, here we have L plus L less than P plus Q. Well, as I have followed the Grashof law, the mechanism should work. So I have simulated this mechanism. So let's see if it works. So our mechanism does work. Well, obviously we followed the Grashof law. So here's the input link, which is basically a crank, the connecting link, and the output link. And yeah, of course, the fixed link, which is quite important for a 4-bar chain mechanism. So if you want your 4-bar chain mechanism to run smoothly and correctly, well, you need to follow the Grashof law. Otherwise, the mechanism will be, if the dimensions are not proper, it might get over constrained and it may get fixed. Hence, the motion will not get correctly transmitted. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.